some geometrical solid shapes that you come across in daily life. Look at this, guys. Have you ever wondered what its shape is? Well, it is shaped like a cube. Here is one of the...
So, this is a cube. On this cube, if you observe this flat surface, it is called a flat surface. And we call this as a face.
Flat surfaces of the cube. It is called a face. A cube has 6 such faces. Each face is square in shape. The line where 2 faces meet is called an edge. A cube has 12 such edges.
See, this face meeting here now. This is called the edge. And this is a face and this is a face. It is meeting here. This is called edge. Like that, this cube has 12
The point
edges.
where edges meet is called a corner. A cube has 8 corners. We saw that a dice is shaped like a cube. Can you think of any other object that is...
Can you think any other object like the shape of cube? What is that?
Cube shaped? Well, have a look at this Rubik's Cube. Here's a pencil box. Its shape is similar to that of a cuboid. A cuboid has 6 faces. Each face is rectangular in shape. A cuboid has 12 edges and 8 corners. Besides the pencil box, several objects in our daily life are
See, like cuboid also has 6 faces, 12 edges and 8 corners. Okay? And the pencil box is one of the example for the cuboid. One more example for the cuboid also.
like cuboids. Have a look at this matchbox.
Okay?
Look at this soft drink can. Its shape is similar to a cylinder. A cylinder has 2 identical flat circular faces and 1 curved face. So, it has 3 faces in total. Did you notice that there are 2 edges in a cylinder?
This one edge. Why? Because it is curved surface, these 2 are flat surfaces now. So, when this curved surface and this flat surface meet, this is the edge. And this down one is another edge. So, cylinder has 2 edges.
But what about corners? Do you see any? Aha! This shape does not have any corners. A soft drink can is shaped like a cylinder. How about this dustbin? It's also cylindrical.
Other than soft drink can and dustbin, what are the real life examples for the cylinder? Bottle, pencil, battery.
Shape, isn't it? I'm sure you all love ice cream cones. But have you ever wondered what its shape is? The shape of an ice cream cone is similar to a geometrical solid shape called cone. A cone has,
If you
the vertex. Besides ice cream cones, the party caps that we wear on birthdays are also cone shaped.
Yes, these two are real life examples for the cone.
I just love playing basketball. Did you know that a basketball is shaped like a spear? A spear has just one curved face. It does not have any edges and corners. Besides the basketball, the planet Earth is also shaped like a
Yes. And real life example for the sphere?
ball.
Yes, ball. And also one more?
Orange.
Yes, some fruits also. Good.
Pear. You have seen some of the common solid shapes that you come across in daily life. Next time you look around, try to identify the shapes of the objects you see. I'm sure you will find geometry exciting.
Okay. Till now, about which shapes we have discussed? Geometry.
3D shape.
3D shapes. What are they? First figure is solid shape. Solid shape. First figure is what? First shape is
Cube.
We have discussed about cube. And second one?
Cuboid.
Cuboid. And third one?
Cylinder.
Cylinder. Next? Cone. And sphere. Okay, and we have discussed about their flat surfaces, curved surfaces, edges, vertices. These corners are vertices. Okay? This one, see one. So equal. How can we make this as equal? Means if I am keeping one circle here, is it equal to here? The one square, right? No. So balance it. How to do balance? If I am keeping here triangle, is it equal?
No.
This way and this way? No. Again I am keeping here.
Equal.
So here one circle and one triangle equal to the
2 squares.
yes. Otherwise we can keep like this also. How? Here one square. Here equal. And also here if we keep this like this. Equal. Is it equal now? Now is this equal? See, if you keep here, is this equal? No. So, if you observe this here and keep this. Equal? Yes. Means these three, these three. Here we use 2 squares, 1 circle. Here also we use 2 squares, 1 circle. Just before we use different, but they are also equal. So, like this. Next, numbers also. By using numbers also, we can make that. See this here. Equality. See, 1. How can make equality? You know, by using number. Here 1, here 1. Equal. But if I keep here 2, is that equal? No. Is? No. Now if you observe that, here coming what means here 3 Now see.
Equal.
One orange weight equal to one
Orange weight.
Now
Equal.
otherwise if I so if we see like this. Now both are
Equal.
Now if you observe this,
No.
this weight is greater than this weight. Yes? See, it is less than that way. Okay? If you see these animals, dog, and cat. So, dog weight is greater than
Cat weight.
cat weight. But here see,
Equal.
equal. Cat weight is equal to another cat.
Another cat weight.
Sometimes weight is greater than
Cat weight.
like that. Understood? Now see questions here. Which of the following is not a solid shape? Rectangle, cuboid, sphere, cone.
Rectangle.
Good. So rectangle. Correct answer. Now second one. Which of the following depicts a solid shape? This one A, B, C, D. Which is the See, next, third one. Which of the following shadow is never formed when the light is flashed on a cube? Shadow. A, B, C, D. Okay, watch. You are telling D, but it's wrong.
B.
C. Next. The solid shape shown in the image is
Sphere.
Yes, good. It is clear. Next. Which of the following matches with the given shape?
B.
Yes. Next. Which of the following has the shape of a cylinder?
Drum.
Yes, good. See about these shadows.
Welcome to the Shadow Show. Look at the shape of this shadow. Doesn't it look like a flying bird? What about these? They look like dogs, don't they? Shadows can be really interesting. Let's explore more about them. When light falls on a solid object, a dark patch is formed. This is called the shadow of the object. And if the position of the light source is changed, we find that the shape of the shadow changes.
See, just before the light is here, there, its shadow falls this side now. And its shape is different. If we are changing the position of the light, the shadow is like this. Observe that. Shadow and it is the object.
Note that the shadows of solid objects are not solid, but flat-shaped. Look, the shadow of this cylinder is almost rectangular in shape. Now look at this arrangement. Here, the shadow of the cylinder is cast on a screen. The light source is exactly in front of the cylinder. Here, we can clearly see that the shape of the shadow of a cylinder is a rectangle.
This cylinder is a solid shape. Yes, but its shadow is
cylinder will ever give us a triangular shadow? Since no outline of this cylinder is a triangle, it will never cast a triangular shadow. Now let's look at the shadows a cube can cast. When the light source is placed like this, we see that the shadow of a cube is almost rectangular in shape. But in this arrangement, we see that the shadow of the cube is an exact square.
In one
Look.
position it's look like a
Rectangle.
but in another
Cube.
How the cube's shadow changes its shape as the cube moves.
see this shape. How is it look like?
Pentagon.
Very good. What is the shape of the shadow?
Pentagon.
Why? Because it has 5 sides now, like this. So it's a pentagon.
Amazing, isn't it? Note that in this arrangement, a cuboid casts a shadow that is rectangular in shape. A solid sphere will cast an oval-shaped shadow when light falls on it, as shown.
If you observe this here, this mark. If you observe this look like a oval. So this sphere is forming here oval from this side. Okay?
However, if the arrangement is like this, a sphere will cast a circular shadow. Now take a look at this arrangement. A cone casts a shadow that is triangular in shape. Look, even our shadow changes its shape at different times of the day.
Yes?
Yes, teacher.
Now see. Name I draw the matching shape. What is this?
Sphere.
We have to draw and we have to write this name here. And what is this?
Cube.
We should write and draw in worksheets. Next.
Cuboid.
So how to draw this? First we have to draw cube, cuboid and sphere. Now,
Yes.
yes. Here see, first one, cube. Easy way ma, cube. All cases of cube are in square shape.
Square shape.
Yes?
Yes.
Like this. Square. I am drawing another square inside it. Okay. I am joining these edges. It is like a cube. And if you observe, this cube has how many faces? How many faces? How many edges? Yes, 2 How many faces? 8 pieces? Yes. Okay. Next shape, what should we draw that?
Cuboid.
Cuboid. And in this cuboid, these cuboid faces are which faces now?
Cube.
The faces are
Rectangle.
So, rectangle. I am drawing one rectangle here. And again one rectangle. Okay. Joining Okay. Sphere has any edges?
No.
Any vertices?
No.
Face?
Yes. One curved face.
One curved
Face.
face. One curved
Face.
edges?
No.
Edges?
Zero.
Vertices?
Zero.
Zero. Zero means no.
Nothing.
Like this. And not there. Next one. Next, see. Understood this?
Yes, teacher.
Faces. How to draw a cube, cuboid, and sphere. Okay.
Okay.
Cylinder and cone also. Now, cylinder, cone. Next one what? Cylinder. So, cylinder how should we draw? Like this. Yes?
Okay.
This one and this one. Two flat surfaces. Two
Flat surfaces.
flat
Surfaces.
surfaces. And this one?
Curved surface.
One
Curved face. Two edge. It has two edge.
yes. Two
Two edge.
no vertices. Okay. Examples also. One bottle, pencil, like that.
Dustbin.
Cone. Like this. Examples: birthday cap, ice cream cone, mehendi cone, but also. Next, this is
Vertices.
vertex.
Vertex.
One
Vertex.
vertex.
One flat surface.
Curved
Curved surface. Surface.
And this one?
Flat surface.
Yes. Flat.
Surface. Flat surface.
And this one? This is the. This one. This is. Edge.
Edge.
One.
Edge.
And if you see, this one and this one are flat surfaces. This one flat and this one also
Flat.
flat surface. This one
Curved surface.
curved
Surface.
and this one is
Edge.
this is the edge and this one also
Edge.
edge. Okay, no vertices, no corners. And for these examples, for one we have to see real life examples first. First cube examples we have to do. First one cube. Any two examples first. Good. Dice.
Rubik's cube. Rubik's cube.
Rubik's
cube.
cube. Next, second one Cylinder. Pencil.
Piece of a chalk.
Okay. What?
Bonnet.
Ice cream. Okay. This is about solid shapes. Next. Equality about we discussed in see different means how they become equal. How means here let us see if it, apple weight is less than papaya's weight, but if you see one more apple but two apples weight is greater than one papaya, yes, it is not, we are not getting equal. If